Busy couple days when it comes to our severe weather threat. One of those happening today, the other one expected on Sunday. Mostly cloudy out there to overcast skies is what we've seen over the course of the day. It's 75 degrees for our temperature this hour. Winds out of the south, man, they are coming in strong. 15 miles an hour. We've seen wind gusts already at 30 miles an hour. The barometer 29/87 of an inch. The dew point at 52. You can see that bounce, man. So we don't have a lot of moisture to work with. We have a decent spread when it comes from our dew point and our temperature as well. Not generally what you would expect with a outbreak, and today, well, it's going to be a little bit of an unconventional one. In fact, we could see a line of storms rolling in. You can see the area there that we're looking at where we could see severe weather, technically strong winds without any lightning. In fact, as we go over and we'll show you what's going on to our west, this is right on top of the Cambridge area, and you can start to see the rain showers coming in. And these aren't technically even thunderstorms at this point because there's no lightning that is embedded in them at this point. But you can get a thunderstorm warning without thunderstorms, and the way that that happens is with strong wind speeds. So they're going to be watching each one of these individual cells here as they race not just off from the west to the east, but also as they move to the north along those strong winds. And we're actually seeing forward speeds of these storm cells at around 50 miles an hour right now, 50 to 55. If they start going over 60 miles an hour, that's when we get a severe thunderstorm warning issued. Even without the severe thunderstorm that would be there, it would just be in the way of strong wind. So here's what's going on right now, and you can really start to see this over the next 2 hours. The RPM model showing those storms slowly but surely moving into the state and right on top of Pittsburgh within the next 2 hours. This will be our chance for seeing severe weather today. Really, we'll say about 3 to 4 hours in Allegheny and Westmoreland County. After that, things should start to dry out. So you can see a solid chance for some rain at 1, down to 50% chance at 4, and then a 10% chance at 7 o'clock. So really, if we're going to see some severe weather, it's going to start happening pretty quick. What are we concerned with? It's obviously wind that we are concerned with, our flooding, our hail, our tornado risk, other things that would at least bring with it the threat of being dangerous weather. We're looking at all of those possibly being on the low side, and we'll say through 5 o'clock today is where we'll have that chance. You can actually see where the strong wind speeds just ahead of this thing is coming in. 75 in Pittsburgh, Washington at 74, and Wheeling at 74. This is what we call a low-level jet, just strong winds at the surface, and it rapidly intensifies things. I've actually bumped temperatures up to 77 degrees for highs, but we will be falling very quickly. Right as soon as that rain gets here, well, temperatures from there on out will start to go down. Also want to remind you, we also have a chance for some strong storms on Sunday. We'll warm up with the warm front, what you just saw sliding through. And then after that, we'll be into the mid to upper 70s, maybe even the 80-degree mark. But this time on Sunday, we actually have a better chance than today, and we will see some thunderstorms on Sunday, including with that. We can't rule out both strong wind, hail, and even isolated tornadoes is on the agenda when it comes to Sunday. So we're going to be watching Sunday very closely. Something we've been mentioning here for the last couple of days, actually, about that. There's your forecast. Officially today, I did bump it up to 77. I just forgot to hit one button that would have shown that on the 7-day. 77 also your Sunday high, and then down to about 56 a Monday high. Also on Monday, cooler weather, but rain showers throughout the day as well.
I know a lot of people will be traveling because of the Easter break coming up, so definitely keep an eye out for storms this weekend if you're traveling.
We always like to say just be weather aware, and yes, if you're outside, anything else, just make sure you know. One of the best ways to do that, just have the KDKA weather app with you at all times.
Love it. Thanks, Ron.